Microsoft has just introduced a new feature for the Photos app on Windows 11, and that is called Generative Erase. This allows you to remove unwanted objects or people from your images or photos to make them look more appealing. So, how do you use this feature? Currently, the feature is only available for the Windows Insider Preview or the Windows Insider program. It's available for all the Windows Insider previews. So, if you are on any of those, you can install the update on the Photos app and be ready with it. But if you're not on the Windows Insider program, then you have to join it. So, for that, let's go to Settings and click Windows Update, and then we'll click on Windows Insider program. I've already joined the Windows Insider program, but I can share you some screenshots to help you out with the process. So let's go back here to the article. By the way, you can check out this article from the link in the description below. So now once you click on Windows Insider program, you have to click on Get Started and then click on Link an account and then click Continue, followed by Continue again. Make sure to select the release preview channel because that is the most stable one here. But if you want to select any of the other channels, you can do that. But make sure to keep the consequences in mind because those are not as stable as the release preview channel. So now, once all is done, you have to click on restart. Now your PC will restart, and after the restart, it will check for updates and install automatically. But if the update is not installed automatically, you have to go back to settings again and then click on Windows Update, check for updates, and if any update is available, click on download and install. Once the download is finished and installation is finished, just restart your computer and you're good to go. So after the restart, you have to go to the Microsoft Store. So let me just search for the Microsoft Store here. I go here and then click on this library option. So once I click here and then click on Get Updates, what this will do is check for any pending updates for any of the apps, including Microsoft Photos. So you have to install the latest update for the Microsoft Photos app for the generative erase feature to work. So that version I'll show you here. That version is 2024.11020.21001.0. So this is the version you need to use the generative erase feature. Once the update is installed, just search for the Photos app to make sure that you're on the right version. So I'll search Photos here and then right click on this, click on app settings, and as you can see here the version matches with the version that we need to use the generative erase feature. So now that we have all everything set up, we can go to the Photos app and start using the generative erase feature. So let me go to the Photos app here. So once we are in the Photos app, we have to click on this edit icon or press Ctrl plus E to start editing the image. Here you can see all the editing features including generative erase. So click on generative erase, and by default you have the auto erase option enabled. You can also adjust the brush size from here. So suppose I want to remove this bush, I brush over it and release. It will be removed automatically. It is flawless for some objects, but for many of the objects it does not do a great job. So let me just turn off the auto erase feature and then I'll show you what it does. So for this, let me remove this pole and brush over it, and when I release it will not be removed. I have to explicitly click on this erase button and then it will be erased. So as you can see, it did a pretty decent job, not really good. Let's try to remove this thing. Suppose I brushed over something and I want to clear that, so I have to click on this clear button and it will be cleared. Right now we also have a restore feature where you can bring back the erased objects, but it does not work. So if I brush over this area and then I click erase this and I click restore and then click erase, it does not do anything. It does not bring back the erased object. So maybe it's not working because it's still in preview, as you can see, but maybe in the future it will work. Now if I want to undo this, I can do undo, I can do redo, I can reset the image by removing all the edits. Now finally, when you want to save your image, you have three options here: save as copy, save, and copy to clipboard. So if I click save as copy, I'll be greeted with a pop-up here where I can click save. So if I save, a copy of this image will be saved. The original image will also be retained. So if I click save, yes, and then it will be saved. So let's go back here, edit again. Let me show you the other two options. Click erase. Let's erase something. So if I click on save options again, if I click save, the image will be overwritten with the latest edits. So the original image will be gone. And if you want to copy your image, edited image to the clipboard, you can do that. Click copy to clipboard and the image will be copied. You can see your a copied image by pressing Windows plus V. Now that the image has been copied to your clipboard, you can paste it anywhere you want. So that is it for this video. If you want to read the written guide on this video, you can check the link in the description below. Also, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll try to answer you. Till then, peace out.